How to quickly delete your likes on YouTube. So there are two steps that you can do. Open your YouTube first and foremost and then tap on your profile icon. From here, select the playlist where it says liked videos. Now on the first one, you can just tap on the three dot and then tap on remove from like videos. And yes, you have to do this manually. You can also swipe the video to the left, then tap on this delete icon right here. On to the second step, tap on the setting option at the top and then tap on manage all history. Select a Google account. Then at the top you will see interactions. You have to tap on it. Here, go to video likes and dislikes. Right here you will find all of your liked videos. To remove, simply tap on the X icon. You can do it next to the video or you can simply tap on the X icon on the date. By doing so, you will be removing all the liked videos in that particular date. And yes, you have to do this manually as well, as there is no multiple selection option on YouTube, and hopefully YouTube will come with an update. And that's pretty much it for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.